Alright, hey guys, so today we got the brand new Blade 230S. It's an intermediate 3D helicopter, so yeah, let's go ahead and do some 3D with it.
Show the
it's
controller.
It's fully stock, ready to fly. This is the ready to fly setup.
Yeah, man.
That's the This is the brand new DXE from Spectrum that Spectrum just came out with, and Blade was kind enough to include it with their new 230S. So this is an awesome package. It's got the AR636 receiver with safe technology, all that cool stuff. That means panic button. That means if the helicopter's upside down and you're just learning how to do 3D and you lose orientation, press this panic button right here, press and hold it, and it levels out the helicopter for you, and it brings it to a stable hover. So that's really cool. All right, guys, let's get some 3D in.
All right, man. Right here, right here. Yeah.
No, I gotta take it off over here.
Why do you have to take it off over here?
It's flat over here. Hey, I spent $300 on this thing. I'm not gonna break it because I'm stupid.
Okay, hold on. All right. Okay. We're in business.
I'm in high dual rate. Yeah. You see it has a really good pyro comp. Just go ahead and flip it up and idle up. So right now I'm in 3D mode. This is full on 3D. You see it has the persistent, it has the touchiness of like a 450. So I'll just go ahead and shoot it. Let's go ahead and flip it inverted.
Upside down. There it is, inverted.
So you can see it's very stable in inverted flight.
Oh yeah. And when Max does this inversion, everything is the opposite. Up is down, left is right, right is left. Everything is opposite. So this takes some skill, man. Definitely. Yeehaw.
So I'll go ahead and do a little bit of 3D for you. I'm still kind of new. I'm still a beginner at 3D. I'm more practicing precision aerobatics, but let's go ahead and do some TikToks.
Whoa.
I got control, don't worry.
Oh, okay. I thought you were losing control.
Do a front flip.
Because it's a lot windier up there than down here. Okay. Can you bring it in a little closer to us?
I'll flip it inverted and bring it.
Yeah, bring it a little closer to us. Upside down, inversion. Yeah, let me get a close-up of that.
I'm not going to bring it in.
Oh, look at that. Yeehaw! You can see there's the trees. You can tell now. You can see that it's upside down. These things are so rad.
You can see the pyro comp on it. Here, I'll flip it in intermediate mode. So now it's in intermediate mode.
Yeah, you can hear the difference. It's intermediate mode.
So intermediate mode is basically, it's still idle up at lower head speeds and much less touchy, you can see. But I like 3D mode.
There it is.
So I'll go ahead and flip it into beginner mode and just fly it around for you guys. So I just did some 3D for you. And I'll put it in low dual rates now. Just fly it around a little bit. It's very stable in beginner mode. Much lower head speeds, as you can hear. So I'll go ahead and show you guys lastly the Pyro comp on it, compensation. Pyro comp is very good on this thing. It has absolutely no vibrations at all. It has no tail wag, it's fully brushless, and yeah, so let me quit talking and show you the Pyro comp on this thing. It is amazing. That's no input at all, that's just full Pyro. So you see it barely drips at all. Dad, how many minutes we at?
We're at 5.5 minutes.
Alright, I'll go ahead and land.
Wait a minute. There we go. There you go. Man, feel the air coming off of those rotors. Nice landing.
So yeah, guys. So that's the brand new Blade 230S here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned in for more RC Heli videos. We'll probably get a video with this sometime. It's heading into winter time, but we'll probably get some video for you at the at our Hellwig fly field here in Maryland. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned in for more Heli videos, and yeah, very happy with the Blade 230S. Thanks for watching.
Cool, man.